The U.S. Senate Commerce Committee is preparing to vote on a legislation that would make it harder for Chinese vehicle automakers to enter the American market. This is not just about tariffs. This is about connected vehicles. Modern cars collect data. They have cameras, microphones, maps, apps, sensors, and software, and the internet connections. Lawmakers are worried about who controls the software and where the data goes. The proposed bill would strengthen restrictions on Chinese designed vehicles with advanced connectivity and software. My take is this is one of the biggest feature car stories. The fight is no longer about engines, batteries, and price. It is about data. A modern car is basically a computer on wheels, and the government are now asking who built the software, who owns the company, who can access the vehicle, where does the data go? The question is going to affect what cars Americans can buy in the future. The car industry is changing faster than many brands expected. Kia shows us that recalls still matter, even on popular family SUVs. German brands show us that old reputation is not enough anymore. China shows us that even when the home market slows down, exports can become a weapon. The US government shows us that vehicles data is now part of national security. Nissan shows us that brand image matters. And Chery shows us that Chinese automakers are building global power. Ferrari shows us that luxury brands cannot forget emotion. And Volkswagen shows us that even giant automakers can be forced to change as needed. My honest advice is, do not buy the hype. The brand name sounds strong. A real question is it safe? Is it reliable? Can I afford it? Can I repair it? Is the technology useful? And does the vehicle make sense for my real life use? Because the best car is not always the newest car. The best car is the car that can serve you without becoming a headache. And this is it, folks, for this week's Berdy Automotive update. Don't just watch the news. Don't just follow the news. Understand it. That's how you stay ahead. I'll see you on the next one. Like, subscribe, and share it to someone you know that want to stay informed. My name is Berdy, folks. Until next time. Bye-bye.